wish I could burp right now. Why?
Those cowboy boots in the summer. Oh my God, I pray for another chance to drive down back highways till I stumble upon your beautiful face. Your presence isn't what fills me, it's that artistic of me. Taking over my scenery, dream by dream, you might think I'm incapable. For loving a soul like yours, you might think I'm a fool. For you, 'cause girl, you got style, and that's what I love about this hair. The way that you sit back, oh how you sit back, watch this girl. You got dreams, and therefore I believe in you. All the small town people with their big remarks ain't got jack to say about my movie star. She got style, la da 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 da. She's got style, la da 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 da. If it's not the fact that I'm a wee bit younger, or the truth that I'm so naive, my heart keeps leaping back to you like a dog tied to a short leash. Like, I know it sounds crazy, it's ridiculous to me, but without you by my side, girl, you might think I'm incapable of loving a soul like yours. You might think I'm a fool. For you, 'cause girl, you got style, and that's what I love about you. The way that you sit back, oh how you sit back and watch this grow. You got dreams,
talking about
beautiful night. No?
Are you kidding?
All the small town people with their big remarks, they got stuff to say about my What are the odds of finding someone just like you? Tell me what I never wanted to go back home. I never wanted, I'm still
What is wrong with my hair?
falling for you. Today.
Hey Jude, words cannot describe how much I miss you.